Want to see the future in your hands? Meet the top 5 must-have gadgets of 2025. The tiny tech that's reshaping how you live, work, and play. Imagine AI helpers blending into your daily flow, devices that charge your life in seconds, and gadgets that vanish into your routine while boosting your every move. These top 5 picks don't just add features, they transform possibilities. Ready to level up? Let's start 5 Anker Prime 3-port wall charger, 100 watts. The all-new Anker Prime charger, 100 watts, 3 ports GAN, is ranked at number 5 on our list of top 5 must-have gadgets in 2025. This Pocket Buddy powerhouse comes with on-the-go charging. It allows you to power up 3 devices simultaneously with the overall output of 100 watts. 3 ports mean 3 possibilities. A laptop, tablet, and phone can be connected to 2 USB-C ports. And the USB-A port is capable of accommodating devices that are not yet using power delivery. The charger is smart in power distribution. It will make sure that the devices receive the optimum charging speeds, despite having all 3 of them plugged in at the same time. Size is not everything. This charger is half the size of ordinary multi-port chargers. It is a real traveling buddy as the foldable plug fits well in a bag or pocket during travel or in the day-to-day commute. The anti-fall designs used to ensure the charger remains firm on the uneven ground. Its real-time temperature control provides an element of safety when it's heavily used. Now let's move on to the next gadget in the list. I'm sure you don't want to miss it out. 4. The L-Ring 2 will be at position 4 on our list of the top 5 must-have gadgets of 2025. It is among the most innovative pieces of wearable technology that places the power of AI right on your finger. Everyone is familiar with the fact that ChatGPT has become an inseparable part of our everyday life, as it assists us in writing, planning, and thinking smarter. So now consider you have the same AI intelligence with you everywhere you go, and you do not even need your phone. That is what the L-Ring 2 does provide. This is a small but mighty ring, which allows you to chat with AI on demand, translate languages in real time, and even use natural hand gestures to operate your gadgets. Have to scroll through slides at a meeting, operate your TV or your drone? You only need to flick your hand. The L-Ring 2 works as an air mouse, a laser pointer, and a gesture controller. It also has voice to text, which means you can dictate notes, messages, or ideas right away, and keeping your hands free and your workflow seamless. Just wait and see what is next in our gadget list. 3. The SwitchBot K20 Plus Pro, a multitasking household robot that reinvents the capabilities of a smart home helper. SwitchBot is an extension of the creators of the self-opening curtain rod and smart light switches. The K20 Plus Pro isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a tiny rolling assistant that delivers, cleans, guards, and entertains all at once. You can have this small robot deliver you snacks, patrol your house with an inbuilt security camera, clean the air, and even carry a fan or mini fridge. Pretty clever, right? You can consider it a robot butler on wheels, and it is at your service at all times. The real magic lies in its Fusion platform, a detachable mobile mount that can hold up to 8 kilograms and power different accessories like trays, air purifiers, or cameras. That means you can customize the robot to match your lifestyle, whether you want it to serve coffee, follow your pet, or guard your home. But hold on, because the next gadget on our list takes innovation to a whole new level. Taking the runner-up spot is a gadget that bringing design and innovation right into your living space. With the Pro-colored P13 DTF printer, a next-generation home-style printer that proves high-end tech doesn't have to look industrial. The P13 is not your typical printing machine. It's featuring a sophisticated wood grain finish and a clear viewing window that gives you a front row seat to the printing magic. But beneath its stylish design lies some serious power. This printer comes with an upgraded motherboard and 3 levels of automatic printhead cleaning every 12, 24, or 36 hours, ensuring smooth, consistent performance without the hassle of manual maintenance. Plus, an intelligent waste ink capacity alarm means no messy surprises. Your workspace, tables, and carpets stay spotless while you focus on creativity. Whether you're customizing t-shirts, tote bags, or small-scale art prints, The P13 delivers crisp, colorful, and reliable results every time. And finally, at the #1 must-have gadget of 2025, we have the DJI Flip, a foldable, AI-powered drone that's changing the way creators capture the world. This isn't just another flying camera. It's a pocket-sized cinematographer with brains. The DJI Flip shoots in 4K at 60 frames per second, delivers cinematic HDR quality. Whether you're filming sunsets, cityscapes, or mountain trails, it brings professional-grade detail to every frame. Designed for everyday adventurers, it folds neatly into your bag and doesn't even require registration. The Flip is packed with AI flight intelligence that automatically tracks subjects, keeping them perfectly framed as it glides through the air. With 6 creative flight modes, you can capture stunning cinematic sequences with just one tap. No piloting skills required. Safety is another area where DJI nailed it. The Flip features a foldable full-coverage propeller guard and a 3D infrared sensing system that enables automatic braking even at night. That means you can fly with confidence, indoors or out. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it engaging, don't forget to give it thumbs up. And if you want to stay updated with more captivating content, hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video from us. Your support means everything.